to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Mavenzo TV. It's the MTN8, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Colorado's 1. I'm joined by Godfrey, the Godfather.
Hey, Steve.
Friend.
Yeah, Aisha, no, Ish.
Iko baba.
Yeah, Aisha, I'm very disappointed, Steve.
Elabuti.
Yeah, Ish, good disappointed double.
Double pain.
Yeah, double pain because give me the words you're gonna Steve. Nana from distance, but what from Durban. But from distance, Goa. Renali is our home game, yes. Our home ground, yes. And it's open, this stadium. Yes. We're supposed to take advantage, yes. Here because this stadium is open. So which means if you have advantage, home ground, so we need to capitalize the game. What about if maybe we are more because more again just a small, yeah. So Steve, no, I'm very disappointed, Steve, the way we lost. And was Steve give emphasize again Braga Mtimu the two finger wallet so wallet everything wallet the license ID number the ID so Steve if maybe what the rare maybe by taller yes so but so what the guy want Steve maybe further to give Timu if what career then because this thing Steve what over engineer can't the ID license so what about strategy most Steve what want a game what want the game but you want to fill out chapter for two fingers but you still phone Javato now I'm Steve so it's not good Steve yeah Steve want to that we just Steve I still gonna repeat again I want to get to wear this Kaizer Chiefs t-shirt Steve it's not pop and place Steve. Yeah. It's very heavy yeah so the players are Steve they must be aggressive but I mean at least Steve be serious why give me say your team Steve is not a pop and place and this jersey Steve is too heavy Steve Maragirne is still early to press a panic button let's give a coach a chance so sometimes in 12 wanna go Steve is painful actually Mara utaloga Steve so that was sharp so course Steve let's take this one we're gonna go back to the drawing board Mara Steve more Chiefs is American striker Steve American striker we really need a striker like guy like Wumbe Suma striker still at least so Steve no what the best Steve like for instance we get more chances Marazang one Marabona Eros they got only one chance one shot on target but they got a goal so which means we must use our chances Steve so Steve Ogerne because we're still gonna go back to the drawing board and we're gonna come back again we're gonna bounce back Steve
thank you my leader
sure
thank you my leader we be the leader